Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there stood a magnificent tree unlike any other. Its branches stretched wide and its leaves shimmered with colors of gold, pink, and blue. This was the kindness tree, a tree that radiated love and compassion to all who entered the forest. Underneath the kindness tree, there lived a family of rabbits. Mama Rabbit, Papa Rabbit, and their little bunny, Rosie. Every day, they would gather under the tree's shade to play and rest. One sunny morning, as Rosie was hopping around, she stumbled upon a wounded bird lying on the ground. With tears in her eyes, she ran to her parents for help. Together, they carefully nursed the bird back to health, showing kindness and love. Word of the rabbit's kindness spread throughout the forest, reaching the ears of a lonely squirrel named Sammy. Sammy had always felt different from the other animals and longed for a friend. Encouraged by the rabbit's kindness, Sammy approached them timidly. To his surprise, Mama Rabbit welcomed him with open arms, inviting him to join their little family under the kindness tree. But one stormy night, disaster struck as lightning struck the kindness tree, causing it to split in half. The animals were devastated, fearing they would lose their beloved gathering place forever. However, in the face of adversity, the animals banded together, working tirelessly to mend the broken tree. With each act of kindness, the tree began to heal, its branches growing stronger than ever before. Months passed, and the kindness tree flourished once again, its branches stretching high into the sky. Underneath its canopy, the animals continued to gather, united by their love and compassion for one another. And so the legacy of the kindness tree lived on, reminding all who entered the forest that love and kindness have the power to heal, unite, and create magic in the world.